Okay, family, I'm sorry to come to y'all looking like this, but this is real life, okay? This is real life situations. I'm not trying to talk loud because the juice man is in there asleep right now. However, I had to come on here and give you guys an update on this baking soda concoction situation. Bam, bam. And the reason why I wanted to come on here this morning because it had me a little bit scared, just a little bit. And y'all excuse my nails; they looking busted and crusted. As I said, this is real life right now. Ooh, all right. So last night I did not, and I want to be perfectly clear. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a nutritionist. I ain't none of those things. Okay, I'm just a chick, a fat chick who's just trying to get her life all the way together. All right, but I want to make it perfectly clear. I am not going to be taking the baking soda and lemon juice concoction every single day. I think I might have confused some people with that. I'm going to take it every other day on days that I feel like I'm not going enough. And that can happen when you're on the green smoothie cleanse, okay? So I plan on doing it maybe 2 or 3 times a week, not 7 days a week, because it's critical. And let me explain to you guys exactly what I mean. Like I said, I'm trying to talk a little low because I don't want to wake the juice man up. But family, I did not take the lemon juice and baking soda concoction on Saturday. I did take it on Friday. I didn't take it on Saturday. However, I decided that I was going to take it yesterday because yesterday was kind of a lazy day. I was hanging out with my family on Friday and Saturday. So I said, you know what, I can do it on Sunday because I'm going to be in the house all day. I'm not really going to be doing anything. So I decided to take it on yesterday. I did step on the scale first thing in the morning after I used the restroom and I weighed myself. And the reason why I'm coming on here this time of morning looking busted, crusted, and disgusted in front of you guys is because, family, I stepped back on the scale this morning. I am 6 pounds down. That's in one day. 6 pounds in one day. Now, I'll be honest. All day yesterday, I was on the toilet. All day. As a matter of fact, my sister wanted me to do her nails yesterday. And I said, honey, I ain't able to do your nails, boo-boo. I ain't in no shape, form, nor fashion am I able to do your nails right now. Because number one, I was laying in the bed all day and I was just, up and at 'em. Like I said, there can be 20 to 30 pounds of pure fecal matter just trapped inside of your bowels and your body. Family, 6 pounds in one, it was actually 6 point some, 6.1 or whatever. But it was like 6. Okay, I'm just going to say 6 because it wasn't 7. Be careful with this stuff, okay? Don't do this every day. I know they say that you can do it up to 3 days consecutively. I would try to alternate days. I definitely wouldn't do this every single day. But it would. 6 pounds one night. Damn.